Hello students, today I am going to deal with the student of semester 6 with the topic of biodiesel production. First of all, we all have to know about the concept of biodiesel. What is biodiesel? Mainly, all we know that the diesel which is chemically produced and diesel which very harmful for the atmosphere and it produce pollution in many aspects, but the concept of biodiesel which is less contribute in pollution. How we produce biodiesel in the lab condition or commercially. In many countries biodiesels are produced for the vehicles. So how we produce biodiesel? Mainly the biodiesel is produced as I told all of you that the biodiesel means the material used in the production of biodiesel is mainly biological. Biological means the organic material. So for the production of biodiesel production, raw materials which we used are mainly in animals, mainly from the animals or from the plants, mainly from the plants. For production of biodiesel in animal, from animal we have to take fat, many oils and fat we have to use for the production of biodiesel. In plants oils are used for the production of biodiesel. Biodiesel, seed oil like seed oil, olive oil and many other oils are used for the production of biodiesel. How we know that the what is biodiesel? So biodiesel is produced by the fat or the seed oil or olive oil. As we know that the fat is triacyl glycerol, is the chain of fatty acids. When we is a mixture of is a chain of triacyl glycerol. When we remove glycerol from triacyl, when we remove glycerol, mainly glycerol is removed from the TAG, triacyl glycerol, only fatty acids, chain of hydrocarbon is left. So that chain of hydrocarbon is used as a fuel or used as a diesel, so mainly that is called the biodiesel. The production of biodiesel in commercially a plant is used for the production of biodiesel. There are mainly two things are required for the production of biodiesel, that is methanol is used, and second is KOH, that is KOH as a play a key role as a catalyst, that is potassium hydroxide, which is act as a catalyst. There are for the production of biodiesel there are three chambers, mainly three chamber plant. In the first chamber that is called mixing chamber. In mixing chamber, all raw materials are added. In the second chamber, that is called reaction chamber. In reaction chamber the trans esterification reactions occur, and the third chamber is called separation chamber. In this chamber, purification of biodiesel or separation occur. Let me clarify all these things. In the first chamber, that is raw material chamber or mixing chamber. In the first chamber, all these material in the animal, for the source of animal fat is taken, or for the plant seed oil or olive oil is taken and taken and down in the first chamber, that is mixing chamber. and methanol is added. Methanol and raw material, that is fat, seed oil or olive oil, is added, and here is mixing occur. Here in the mixing chamber there is a blade which rotate and mix the raw material. After mixing the raw material, it goes to the trans-esterification chamber, that is reaction chamber. Here the reaction is occur. In this reaction chamber, methanol and KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, is added. For the reaction for the production of biodiesel, the KOH play a key role or as a catalyst for the production of biodiesel. Its main, it remove the glycerol from triacid glycerol. Here the reaction occur. After the reaction occur, it goes to the separation chamber. In the separation chamber, two sensors are located in the bottom and in the top. Two sensors are there for the separation and biodiesel and the glycerol. According to the molecular weight, the glycerol is settled down in the bottom of the chamber, and the molecular weight, the diesel is upward to the glycerol. So when the separation is occur according to the molecular weight, the biodiesel is collected in upper layer of the chamber, which is further purified for the biodiesel condition, because it has some amount of methanol that is further purified for the collection, and after further purification it was collected and used as a fuel. And the lower level mixture, that is a higher weight molecular mixture, that is glycerol is added with some chemical that produce glycerin, and glycerin is also used in many aspects, and both glycerin and purified biodiesel is collected from the counter chamber after the third chamber, because purification is required for the biodiesel, and the production of glycerol to glycerin is occur in the counter chamber. This is the main aspect. This is the main theory of for the production of biodiesel via organic material. Here in the separation chamber, the glycerol is break down and settle in the bottom, that is called glycerol, and the hydrocarbon chain occur in the upward layer due to the molecular weight, which is used as a fuel. This is the main theory and the main concept of production of the biodiesel. And that's all for the today. Thank you.